it's this subconscious adding of charge that becomes an issue, because of course not everyone's into clearing. Some people manage stress better than others. But we really don't know to the degree the body's becoming stressed. Now, if you take any system, whether it's mechanical, electrical, or biological, if you put that system under extreme stress, the factors that it's not being built into, like obviously you can build in factors of stress into buildings, into bridges, into electrical circuits and so on. But if the stress exceeds those safety limits, then things start to break down. And it's the same with the human body. There's only so much stress the body can take before it begins to collapse. Now, I've spoken before in a short video about how biologically, when we identify, whether it's a conscious identification or subconscious, when we identify with any emotion, we create a greater likelihood that we'll experience that emotion in a much more intense way in some time in the future. And so what happens there, of course, is that the healthy receptor sites on the cell wall start to lose their place in the cell because they get crowded out with receptor sites for a specific emotion. Now, of course, that creates a greater likelihood that you're going to experience an emotion quite intensely, but it also means that the more healthy receptor sites are not there, and the cells cannot function at an optimal efficiency because they don't have the correct balance, if you like, of receptor sites on the cell wall because of your constant identification with certain phenomena. If you keep identifying with that phenomena, then of course the system starts to break down. The system becomes weak, it's not healthy, it starts to overload the cell starts to misbehave, if you like, it doesn't reproduce in a clear way, and then the cell starts to act up, and then all sorts of things start to go wrong with the body. One of these is aging.